It's bath time.
Oops. I've been pouring it over his face lately. I use a cup. Try and get the cradle cap too. Yeah, I usually do that pretty decent with my hand.
Hi, AJ.
Did that feel good? Huh? Did that feel good? It's cold. That's cold, Grandma. Oh, there's a bird. You put it in your mouth. Not yet.
He's eating the soap.
Say Grandma, I do all the time.
That's why he bubbles.
It's okay.
Hi, AJ. That's why I bubble, because I eat the soap. Look at how big you are.
Look, that's Tommy. Look at this too.
Look at how big you are.
Need help, Mom?
Nope, I'm good.
He really likes being in the water.
Are
He
you-
doesn't get that when we give him a bath.
Are you, oh, okay. Goes gonna suck on your arm. Hi, AJ.
That face. Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Did that feel good? Did that feel good? Oh yeah, that feels so good, baby.
AJ. Careful.
So good.
He's in tilt mode.
He's looking.
It's a good thing he doesn't have teeth.
Yeah, for sure.
He's a vampire. AJ's a vampire, honey. He's trying to get you.
That's okay, he can get me.
Can you get those toes? Yeah,
He's got his toes.
he's helping you. He's washing his toes.
Can't believe he's putting his hands in the water. That's awesome.
You know he has to wash his hands too before he puts them in his mouth.
Fast, fast, fast.
Bubbles. Doesn't make bubbles, huh? He's so excited. He just gets so excited.
He has man boobs.
His man boobs.
Oh, God.
Yeah, get some pictures.